How to make easy money for free. Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make easy money using just your voice. Hello there, Tommy Olsson here. So if you like these kind of tips on how to make money easily, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the little bell. Okay, let's now head over to the site where you can make money for free using just your voice. So here is the site you will use to make free money, and now you can sign up for free and become a voice actor, and there's different jobs you can do. You can do voice overlays and so much more, voice assistance and so on. So what you do is you go here to get started for free, and we don't want to hire anybody, although that's a membership about that as well. You click on work as a voice actor, and then you just enter your full name and email and mark this box here, and then you click on next, and then you go to your inbox, email inbox, to verify your email address. But first you enter your phone number, the username you want to use, and the password for your account. And after that you see this message that you need to go to your inbox to verify your email address. If you can't find it in the inbox, just click on resend confirmation email. There's another step which I skipped showing, and that's the step where you enter your physical postal mail address. But here we are inside the members area, and then you go to edit your profile there, and you can take a tour here, but you can just show write the overview of your skills here and what you're good at when it comes to voice acting. If you have not got that much experience of this profession, then they have resources where you can learn more about that, or you can simply do a Google search. You can enter anyway, I'm good at voice overlay or something like that, and you should add a photo here, because those with photos looks more professional and so on. And you can also enter a demo of your voice and so on. Now this is a free guest account, and to get all the features you need to upgrade, but still you can start for free and making money, and some are making very good money, making $1,000, $2,000. And here where you add your different services and so on. So this is global, so anyone around the world can do this. And when you have done setting up your profile, you can check out jobs and go to hiring, and you can apply to the different jobs. There's something about saved fields, but anyway, here you see the different jobs there is available. But anyway, this is a free way to make money, but below this video I have entered my link to my #1 recommendation when it comes to make money online. Feel free to check that out if you want to make more money. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.